hear just what you'd say, even if I'd heard it all before just yesterday. And even if you wanted kittens and I'm allergic, I won't mention. I've gotten used to the discomfort, so why can't you be? She's got money, she's not into me. I could never be the guy that she could ever see. And we could have it all, still she wants some more. Even when I make her breakfast, she's accountable. She's in heaven 24/7, and I'm lonely, did I mention? She can tell I'm taking chances, but won't tell me what romance is. And I'm unfit at 24, looking just like my uncle, but I can play the song on guitar, do no Wonderwall. She's got money, she's not into me. I could never be the guy that she could ever see. And we could have it all, still she wants some more. I wish I could make her jealous, even care at all. On the weekend, sticks and stones with my best friend. We've got gold that you can bet in, while we're here we're complaining. You got diamonds in my nose ring, off my mortgage and I'm towing. And I heard head chains amazing, why go out when you can go in?